Good morning, you guys. It's Ms. T, and I'm back with another V to the I to the DEO. That's right, I'm back with another video. So, you guys, this is my 1 year update for my hair. I'm getting ready to hop in the shower. You guys, I know my face is looking rough. That's because I literally just woke up, took the dog out, had my coffee, did a couple of YouTube things that I needed to complete, and now I'm actually about to go get in the shower and wash my hair. But before I do that, I want to... Okay, the dog rings the bell to go to the potty. He sees me busy and he doesn't have to potty, y'all. He just wants some attention. But anyway, as you guys can see, I really do need a retwist. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Yeah. All right, you guys. So let's go get her done. You guys, it has been 2 days since I started this video, and I am just now getting a chance to sit down and actually give you the 1 year update on my locks. For those of you who are new to my channel, I started my locks back in October of 2020, you guys, during the pandemic. I am a do-it-yourselfer, so if you guys have not seen the video on why you should do your locks yourself, I will put the link up here so that you guys can watch it after you watch this video. But you guys, I have been having a wonderful first year of having my locks. Right now, I'm actually between month 13 and month 14. So it's a little bit over a year, but hey, it's still a 1 year update. I'm just going to tell y'all what's been going on over the last year. So starting my locks myself was not a problem. Of course, it was very easy to do. I started with 2-strand twists. That was the easiest method for me to start with. My hair was already long at the time. So I was like, I can't really do coils or anything like that. I wasn't willing to cut any of my hair. I wanted to keep all of the length that I could possibly keep. So I went ahead and I did 2-strand twists. You guys, over the last year, I did experience a lot, let me say it again, a lot of shrinkage, okay? That's just part of the territory with having new locks though. So the shrinkage has been very real, but right now my hair is growing super fast, and I kind of go through those times when my hair just grows really fast. I think that I'm on a pretty good vitamin right now, women's multivitamin, and that's probably what's doing it. But my hair has been growing very fast lately, so I've gotten a lot of length back, okay? And I'm super excited about that. The locks look really good, y'all. They feel really good. They're hydrated. They have a lot of oil in them. I haven't had any problems with them getting really dull. Generally, I will spray them with water every 2 to 3 days and add in some oil on top of that. My oil of choice is jojoba oil, whatever you guys want to call it. But that's my oil of choice. I've used that for years. Even when I was a loose natural, that was the oil that I used on my hair. My hair just responds very well to it. You know, if it ain't broke, what they say, don't fix it. So I have not been trying to fix that. But yeah, as far as it goes with my regular day-to-day routine, that's it. Just put a little bit of water on it every 2 to 3 days. It's not even necessary to do it every day. And put some jojoba oil on it and just keep on pushing, okay? Just keep on pushing. Now, if you guys are wondering what I do for long-term maintenance as far as like washing, I wash my hair generally every 1 to 2 months. And that just depends on what's going on outside. During the summer months, I had to wash my hair every month because I was sweating in my head. And as you guys know, your hair gets itchy when you're sweating at the scalp. So I was like, okay, I just can't. I got to wash it a little bit more often. But right now it's cool outside. I probably can get 2 months out of a wash. You know, I know you guys are saying that's nasty. You need to wash your hair every 2 weeks. Hey, if that works for you, go ahead. But that's not what Miss T gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be washing my hair every 2 weeks. I just don't have time to be washing my hair every 2 weeks. And let me tell y'all something about locks and washing your hair often. That's a lot of shampoo. Okay, it takes a lot of shampoo to wash these locks, y'all. It takes a lot of it. Not that, you know, I can't afford the shampoo, but it's just like, man, when I get in there and I see all that their money washing down the drain, I'd be like, we don't need to do this too often. But you guys, it's really not necessary to wash your hair that often unless you have, you know, a lot of issues. If your hair makes a lot of oils and your hair gets itchy, then of course you want to go ahead and do something about that. Or if you have dandruff problems, you want to go ahead and do something about that. I don't suffer from dandruff problems. What I do suffer from is an overproduction of oil every now and then that makes my scalp itchy. Then I have to go ahead and wash it, you know. But for the most part, I can generally go for about a month to 2 months without actually washing my hair. When I do wash my hair, it is very minimal products going into my hair. I use a hydrating shampoo, and it's a conditioning shampoo or a hydrating shampoo, whatever it sells on a bottle, one or the other. And then I don't use any conditioner anymore. As you guys know, I was in the beginning mixing conditioner with water, but then after time, I realized that I didn't need that because I started to use hot oil treatments on my hair, and you don't need both. You really just need one or the other. I like the hot oil treatments because I found that it actually makes my hair softer. So I was like, let me go ahead and just use the hot oil treatments, y'all. But that's been great for me. I have gotten a little bit of slippage too from using the conditioner, y'all. I'm trying to find one, you know, back here in the back. I think this is about the worst one. Yeah. Right here, I got some slippage because I did start with 2-strand twists and I was putting the conditioner on there, and the conditioner is slick. So yeah, I was like, I gotta let the conditioner go. So I know I said before, if you want to condition your hair, go ahead. But I think that that's what happened. I don't know, but I'm like, the conditioner was probably the culprit in that. So I did let it go, you know, for that reason as well. But the oils have been great. My hot oil treatment just consists of olive oil, a little bit of coconut oil, jojoba oil especially, and I use a little bit of rose oil, inside of that whenever I do it. So I generally do that every time that I wash my hair, just because it's easy and it works really well as a conditioning treatment. And then I just move on. To retwist my hair, I actually use a little bit of aloe vera gel. And you guys, I have to say that I haven't always used aloe vera gel each time. Over the summer, y'all, I got in a little bit of a bind because I was traveling, having a good time, and I needed to do a retwist, and we didn't have any aloe vera gel rather, on the road. So I had to use the gel that was available to me. So I just used a little bit drop, and I was very committed when I got home to washing it out really well so that I wouldn't get any buildup. And you guys, I was so lucky. I didn't get any buildup. I was able to get it all out. So I was like, I'm so thankful. Yeah, but it did give me a much better hold, I will say that. But you know, just in the overall scheme of things, I was like, it's probably best if I just don't put that kind of gel back in my hair. I don't want any buildup. I'm not trying to have to go to a loctician to get them to detox my hair. And I think that it would be kind of difficult to detox my hair at home on my own. I don't know. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos with a lot of ladies doing it, and I know eventually it might be necessary, but I was like, I just don't want to do it often. I don't want to set myself up to have to do it often, so I had it. As far as it goes with the retwist, because my hair grows so fast, I sometimes have to do like a 2-strand twist pattern, just a little bit at the root, and then I go ahead and I twist on down. I find that helps it to stay better, and it helps my retwist to last longer. And for those of you who are new to this whole lock game, retwisting your hair does not lock the hair. What actually locks the hair is just time. And of course you want to retwist it because that kind of shows the hair where it is that you want it to go and what it is that you're trying to accomplish, what it is that you want it to do. So I go ahead and I do my retwist, based on that, and I don't worry about it. So I do have quite a bit of new growth. My hair is locking. It is taking some time because I do have some hair textures that are a little bit straighter than others in different areas of my head, but y'all, I've gotten over and used to that as well, y'all. But anyway, moving on forward and fast forwarded to today. So today, I think it's looking pretty good. Y'all, I'm not all that committed to my part pattern. Like a lot of people that you may see on YouTube, they're very committed to those part patterns. I found that if you become too committed to a part pattern, that you're probably going to have a lot of breakage. And I don't want to have any breakage. I haven't suffered from any breakage so far. But again, I'm not that committed to the part pattern. I kind of just let the hair go where it wants to go. And it seems that the hair kind of knows where I want it to be, so the part pattern doesn't look that bad, but I don't spend a lot of time worrying about the part pattern. I just don't, you guys. I'm more about the health of my hair. That's the most important thing to me. I haven't put any color in my hair, although I am considering it. However, I have told myself that if I do decide to go the route of putting any color in my hair, that I am going to have to go to a loctician because I do need someone professional to do that. I'm just not willing to take the risk at home of losing any of my hair just because I decided that I had to do that part myself. I'm not big on chemicals. I'm just not going to mess anything up fooling around with them. But you guys, this has been my 1-year lock update. If you guys have any questions about what I've been doing over the last year, or if you think it's something that you want to know about that first year journey that I didn't, cover here, go ahead and put that comment down below. Ask me any questions that you need an answer to. I might make a video or I might reach out to you and just answer your question individually. It doesn't matter. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to, of course, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys, go ahead and click that notification bell too, so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to see it. And you guys, this is where we're going to end it today. I will see you all next time.